Hello, this video is going to cover how to get to Baltimore County technical support if you've exhausted everything that the school-based technical support is able to do. And this will come up when it comes to account issues, especially with BCPS 1 accounts, because there are only so many things the school's able to do. And then we run out of options at a certain point, especially not being physically in the buildings. So if you need support beyond what, and you've already checked with teacher, you've already checked with me at the Hillcrest level, Mr. Sloan, eSloan at bcps.org. This is for if you need to go beyond that. We can't take you beyond that because that's being outside the building and not knowing the exact issues. It really needs to come directly from the community. Now, the county has set up a specific support mechanism during the COVID-19 outage because of issues they know are going to be coming from the homes. So I'm going to Google search BCPS 1 just to go to BCPS 1. Anyone can make a BCPS 1 account, and the directions have been out on how to do that. So even if your Schoology connection cannot be made, you still have a BCPS 1 account. All you need is an active email to get a community account. So this is my login to BCPS 1. Yours will look different because assuming you have not made the Schoology connection with your kids, it's going to say community member, but there will be a My Profile button. And then under that, oops, they want another username and password from me, which is fine. Please don't save that. Whoops, going to pause this for a minute. Never mind going to My Profile. We want to go to Support, right next to My Profile. The word Support will take you into here. And under all of this is going to be click here to request support. It says Parents and Students. Didn't find what you were looking for. Click here to request support. And this, when you fill all of this out, this will take you this will send this request directly to technology support, and they'll be able to email you directly back with the email that you used to create your BCPS 1 account. So here's where you would say, in the specific instance, for example, you might say I do not have my email on file with the school, therefore I'm not able to connect my BCPS 1 to my child's Schoology. And they will be able to add that email because they're in the buildings, they're in the system, working essential status from there. All right, so that's how we request technology support directly to Baltimore County schools beyond the school level.